How to report users on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to report users on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can simply find the person that you want to report to. And now here, once you've found that person, then what you can do is just tap on their name. And now here, once you're inside the chat, just tap on your name, which can be seen at the top. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is that you can simply scroll down from here to the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as report. So there you can just tap on report, and after that you can simply choose the reasons, and after that you can simply submit it, and that's it. That's how you can report users on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.